Okay, so we're here with the ok99 and the LG Xboom application. I had a viewer ask me about getting some user sound effects on the speaker here. And you can see there's a user button here where you can switch to the user sounds. So basically what you do is you hold that down until it says user up there in the view window. But to get the sounds on there, I believe there's two ways. You can do it through a USB or you can do it through the app. Now the app's not going to sound as good because you're actually recording the sound effects with the microphone of your device, whether it's a tablet or whatever. But basically what you do is you open the app up and then you go to Sample Creator, which is this guy. And then you can see you can just record sounds for 5 seconds basically. So I have a bunch loaded in here, and just to give you an example, I did load them in the button. So once you get them recorded, you press the little three dots here and you can see it says Sample Creator Transfer. What you would do is you would hit that and it asks you what button you want to assign that sound to. So that's it. It's really easy. It's a little more complicated with the USB, but it's really not that difficult. So just as an example, say, or we won't do that one. So they don't have to be 5 seconds long. I just was messing around here, but you can see when you press user here, and that pops up user, then your assigned buttons are here. So that is a pretty cool LG feature. Turn it down a little bit in case it was messing it up. So I have it on user. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you add clips in there. Now, if you want them to have a little more clarity, you would want to load them on a USB. Plug your USB in there, put the speaker on USB, and then you can load them off of there. I did that once before, and it does work. So that's about it. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.